Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. We will do another example of nested loop so that the things become clear in your head. So let's say I wanted to display a pattern, something like this. 1, then number 2 gets printed 2 times, then number 3 gets printed 3 times, and then number 4 gets printed 4 times. Let's say this is the pattern that I want to follow. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see how we will do that using a less nested loops. Okay, so we're going ahead and create a loop here. We'll start with integer. For integer I is equals to 1. So I did I is equals to 1 here. We're going to I is less than equals to 4. What is the maximum value here? 4. So we'll go till I is less than equals to 4. Then I plus plus. Okay. Then we are going ahead inside this loop, and inside of this loop, we are going ahead and say integer. For integer j is equals to 1. Now how many times the inside loop will run? It will only have to run once. Okay, so it should run less than equals to 1, or we can say less than equals to I, and then j plus plus. And then we're going ahead and say system.debug, and then what value I'm going to print? I will go ahead and print the value of I here. So let me go ahead and explain to you how this is going to work. Let's take a marker. The first time we said that this is the outer loop, and then we have a inner loop. This is the inner loop. This is the inner loop, and this is the outer loop, right? Next thing is we have a variable called I, and we have another variable called j. So in the first time you are saying I is equals to 1. So I is equals to 1 here. I less than equals to 4. Is this condition true? Is this 1 less than equals to 4? Yes, 1 is less than 4. So now what will happen is, since this condition meets, it will go ahead and run this in inner loop. Now in the inner loop, j is equals to 1. So j is equals to 1 has been initialized. Every time it comes inside the loop, again the initialization portion will run. Means the whole inner loop will run again. Always remember this. For every time of the outer loop, each iteration of the outer loop, the inner loop will run completely. So j is equals to 1. What is the value of j? 1. What is the value of I? I is also 1. So 1 is less than equals to 1. Yes, 1 is equals to 1. So then it will go ahead and print the value of I. What is the value of I? 1 here. And then j becomes 2. Is 2 less than equals to 1? Because I is equals to 1. 2 is less than equals to 1. No, that is not true. So it will go ahead and exit out of loop right away. Then it will come back to this outer loop. Then the outer loop says, outer loop is I now became 2. What is the new value of I? I become 2 here. And the condition says 2 less than equals to 4. Is 2 less than equals to 4? Is 2 less than equals to 4 is the condition? Yes, that is true. 2 is less than 4. Again, it will go ahead and come inside the loop. Now what the j will get initialized? J will again be initialized with 1. I is now 2. I is now 2. Then I plus plus. Now j less than equals to I. What is the value of j? J is still 1 because every time it comes inside the loop, initialization part will run again. So 1 less than equals to 2. Is this true? Yes, 1 is less than 2. So it will go ahead and print the value of I. Now what is the new value of I? I is now 2. So it will go ahead and print 2 here. Again, what's going to be happen is j plus plus. Now j will become 2. So j less than equals to I. Is 2 less than equals to 2? Yes, because 2 is equals to 2. Again the condition met. Again this statement will run. What is the value of I? I is 2 now. Again the 2 will get displayed. So now so far we have reached 1, 2, 2. Now we have to display 3 times. So now what is the new value of I? Now j becomes 3. Sorry, j becomes 3 now. So now j less than equals to I. Is 3 less than equals to 2? Because I is still 2. No, that is not true. So what will happen is this condition will not get executed. This will come out of the loop, of the inner loop. Now this outer loop will run again. I plus plus. Now what is the value of I, guys? I is now incremented to 3. I became 3 now. Is 3 less than equals to 4? Is 3 less than equals to 4? Yes, it is. It is less than 4. That is true. So condition again meets. Again the inner loop will get executed. Again what will happen is, again the j is initialized with 1. So now the new value of j is 1 and the new value of I is 3. So first condition is j less than equals to I. So is 1 less than equals to 3? Yes, 1 is less than 3. Again the condition meets, it will come inside the loop and it will execute this statement and it prints the value of I. So what is the value of I here? Now value of I is 3 and it will go ahead and print the 3. Now what is the new value of j? J become 2 now. Is 2 less than equals to 3? 2 less than equals to 3. Yes, that is true. Again the condition met. Again the I will get printed. What is the value of I? I is equals to 3 here. Again the I will get printed. Now j plus plus. So now what is the new value of j? J become 3 now. So what is the value of j now? J become 3. Is 3 less than equals to 3? Yes, that is correct. Now the condition meets again and it will go ahead and display the value of I. What is the new value of I? I is still 3. So it will go ahead and print 3 times. Right? So now we have to write 3 times. Now j becomes 4. J plus plus. Now j becomes 4. 4 less than equals to 3. Is this true? No, this is not true. So this condition will not get executed. So nothing will get printed. It will come out of this inner loop. Now I plus plus will run. I plus plus will run because it will came out of the inner loop. What is I plus plus? 3 plus 1 became 4. So what is the new value of I? I became 4 now. Is 4 less than equals to 4? Is it? It is true. Yeah, the condition is true. So the condition is true because 4 is equals to 4. It will come inside the inner loop. Again, the j will be initialized 1 here. Now the I is 4. J will get initialized again with 1. J less than equals to I. So what is less than equals to I? What is the value of J? 1 less than equals to 4. Is that true? Yes, that is true. So what will get printed? This condition meets the line number 9 will be get executed. It will print the value of I, which is 4 now. Again, j plus plus. What is the new value of j? J becomes 2 here. 2 less than equals to 4. Is 2 less than equals to 4? Yes, that is true. Condition again meets it will come inside the loop and it will print the value of I, which is equals to 4. Now j became what? J became 3. Is 3 less than equals to 4? Yes. 3 is less than equal to 4. Is 3 less than equals to 4? Is 3 less than equals to 4? Yes, 3 is less than equals to 4. Again, this particular statement will get executed. It will print the value of I. What is the value of I here? Value of I here 4. Now again j plus plus. What is the new value of j? J became 4. 4 less than equals to 4. That is true because 4 is equals to 4. Condition meets again it will go inside the loop and it will print the value of I, which is equals to 4. Now again j plus plus. Now j become 5. Is 5 is less than or equal to 4? No, this condition did not met. So what will happen is, so now j is 5, 5 less than equals to 4. No, this is not right. So now it will exit out of the inner loop and it will go ahead and execute I plus plus. What is the new value of I? I became 5 now. Is 5 less than equals to 4? No. So the outer loop now exit out. Okay. So the output will look like 1, then it will have 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. So this is going to be the output of the program. So do you remember the pattern that we are following? That's how we want it to print. Let's go ahead and verify by running this program. So let's go ahead and hit the execute button. Now if I go to the debug, now I can see 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. So this is what the nested loop has done. So this is the one example of doing the nested loop. So play around it with it and see how this loop works because they are very important to understand. Now we have done the nested loops. Let's meet in the next tutorial. Till then, have a good day.